What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage, and we got the video. Farley did not look comfortable talking to the press about this, but this should give everybody that's even considering buying a Ford pause. It is it's very interesting to me. I consider it amazing, actually, that the companies that are supposed to be 100% American, and GM and Ford, don't want us being able to work on our own vehicles. Yet the company that's supposed to be in Europe, that operates everything out of Detroit right now, and also has the most excitement in terms of Stellantis, ain't said shit when it comes to this because they're not on that program. Funny. We're going to get into what Farley said. I'm going to play for you what he said and all of that right after this. Guys, before we get into today's video, we have to talk about the giveaway down on the channel right now, as the SRT10 Viper is closing out in a little bit less than 48 hours. There are massive extra entries going up on the site, so by the time you see this video, they should already be up. And there is a coupon code Viper, which will let you get any of the multipliers that you see on there. In addition, 50% off until they're sold out. I believe there's 5 at each different level. So once they're gone, they're gone. The SRT10 Viper has been the best vehicle we've ever done on the channel, probably for a reason. And believe me, if I can find another one, I'm going to do it. I just don't think I'm ever going to find another one at the price we got this one at. And some of you guys found where we bought it on eBay or whatever. And it's been an amazing car. But anyways, I'm looking forward to getting this thing done and getting this into the hands of somebody else. And, instead of running this to July, we've been running it a little bit right at a month. And it's more than paid for itself. So if you guys want to get in on it and get a shot at it before it closes out, now's the time to do it. This will be the best shot you get in terms of entries. And the coupon code Viper for the extra entries, for the multiplier, will get you guys a little bit of a discount on that as well. So link in the description down below, tk'sgarage.bigcartel.com. Oh, and we also did bring back TK free as a coupon code for the next 5 orders. By the time you see this, because the video is probably going to be later in the day, it's probably already gone, but hey, it's worth a shot. We'll get you a totally free cart in whatever you're picking up on the site. So link in the description down below. Farley, Jesus, man. I almost, not on some crazy conspiracy theory shit, but did somebody clone Farley? Or did somebody, pull his brain out and put somebody else's brain in? Because what I'm seeing out of this dude right now, and he's a car guy, man. He races on the weekends and shit. And his analogy of, well, could I work on a 73 model vehicle? No. Could I work on a current? You know what? I don't even want to. Let me show you what he said and how fucking retarded it is, and we'll go from there. But you have to see this. I have no words.
You don't want people repairing their own vehicles.
No, that's fine. Not for warranty work, though. These are very complicated cars, and we don't think that's safe for many of the repairs on our vehicles. Someone at home like myself could never do it. I have no problem working on a 73 Bronco. But to work on a brand new Bronco, I need all sorts of specialty tools. That's something that, we would put people's lives at risk.
So you want to know what this comes down to for me? I think this all comes down to money. I don't think this comes down to actual safety of consumers. Miss me with that shit. It has nothing to do with that. It has to do with, hey, we need to make more money on our parts department, our service departments, so our dealers are happy, and we're getting money from the service departments having to buy our official shit, our parts. This is all coming down to money. They want to freeze out independent shops, which I got like, when I talked about this the first time, I probably have over 100 emails from independent shops that were like, you should do a podcast. We should talk about this because this is not the only company that's trying to do this shit. Yes, I know there's a lot of companies, and you have to have, being a mechanic right now is insane. Shout out to, like, I have a bunch of different sponsors, but Autel is one of my sponsors, and they're cool. And like every year or two, they send me like a $1,800 scan tool, and I appreciate them. You know, we'll do a video or whatever for them on the channel when we get them in. But they, they allow me to do the stuff that I need to do. Like when I have to do the brakes, I do my own work, by the way, on most of my stuff on my M5s, right? So they have like electronic actuators or whatever for the emergency brakes, right? And you have to open those. And I could do that through some smartphone apps like Beamer Code and stuff like. But having a full-fledged mechanics tool where I can just toggle and actuate different modules and stuff in the car is huge, and you actually kind of have to have one of those things to work on stuff. It doesn't mean that the average person can't do that stuff in their garage. You 100% can. What Farley's trying to go for here is like, oh yeah, it's so complicated now, you can't even do an oil change. Shut the fuck up, man. Are you serious? Like, I get that money's tight. You want us as consumers to go after our, representatives in government to freeze out China because you don't have an opportunity to win. Yet you're trying to freeze us out of our own shit. And then you want to try to sell us some shit for like 50 grand and then tell us we can't touch it? Like, I own it. I'm going to do whatever I want with that car. You can completely miss me with that bullshit. So, I don't know, man. This kind of stuff drives me absolutely nuts because it's just, it's like par for the course for the bullshit. You know what I'm saying? It's par for the course for the bullshit. And I'm just tired of it, man. I wish they would just get back to making, like Farley said he was going to do, iconic cars, leave people in independent shops the fuck alone, stop trying to grease the wheels of government to solely benefit you so people can't even work. Like the fact that you want legislation that somebody could get fined or go to jail for working on their own shit is stupid. Absolutely dumb. Gotta be kidding me with this shit. I can't believe that your friggin' PR department, and not even that, I can't believe your lawyers didn't come to you and say, this is a bad idea. Y'all need to shut the fuck up. If I were you, I'd fire whoever does your PR and whoever your legal counsel is. I would fire them for them even giving you the friggin' counsel to tell you to do this shit. Maybe you would have got away with this with the last president, but you're not going to get away with it with this one. That's why your ass got laughed out of the White House. I don't know. Hearing it straight from his voice and trying to make it a safety issue is absolutely hilarious to me because it's bullshit. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Be sure to give the video a big thumbs up if you like what I do, and hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Let's get the conversation to go in the comments. What do you really think about what Farley said here? I honestly can't believe he was that dumb to talk to a reporter on video and say this shit. I'm sorry. And I appreciate, some people get reached out from Ford and they're trying to get me to do stuff with them, and this might burn. I don't care. If you make dumbass decisions, you do dumb shit like this, I'm gonna cook you. That's, you gotta be out of your rabbit ass mind. As always, stay petty, my friends.